Hello, so today I'm going to show you everything that comes in our aquarium kit, which is the kit to make all of these fantastic fish. So I have just hung it onto an 8-inch mobile hoop here, as you can see. That doesn't come with the kit, but I've done that so that you can see them all hung up. And what you've got is you've got a mixture of fish which are based on real tropical fish. So you've got a clownfish, you've got a blue tang, you've got a humbug damselfish here. And then you've also got enough materials to come up with some designs that are completely your own. So I've got a few here which are just made up fish, but which I've been able to have some fun with designing. You've also then got a jellyfish, and you have got the really cute turtle, who's one of my favourites. You can just see him hanging at the bottom there. So let me show you what comes in the box. So the box is one of our larger kits, so it's one of the bigger boxes. And then when you open it up, you've got your instructions inside there, and you've got all of your other different components. So let me just show you these. So you've got the instructions, and these are fully illustrated. So you've got all the different diagrams in there, and the details and illustrations on actually how to do the different stitches and techniques. You've got a full set of templates. So as you can see from the fish at the beginning there's quite a lot in this kit. So your templates will show you what you need to cut out to create each fish. And then let me show you what's actually in the box. So these are the fun bits really. You've got your pins and needles. You've got some stuffing to stuff your fish once you've finished. And then I'm just going to show you what's in all of these envelopes. So you've got 6 different component elements. And I've got a piece of beading mat, so I'm just going to use that so that you can see they don't slide around too much, but that's also really useful when you're stitching to stop them from whizzing all over the place. So first of all, I've got some silver lined seed beads. So these are a really colourful mix, hopefully you can see them there, and those are great when you're designing your own fish. Let me just pop those back so I can unload some more. And then you've got a mixed pack of sequins in here as well. So you can see there lots of bright coloured sequins. Again, also great when you're designing your own fish. You've got some beads called ginkgo beads, which is a great name, don't you think? But these are actually shaped like fish scales. So again, you've got some great colours in here. But I think these are a lovely addition for you to decide what you want to do with when you're designing your own fish. So you can see those there. You have got some black seed beads, which I'm not going to get out, but they're just for using, just to create the eyes on your fish. You have got some green square tile beads. So again, these are there for the shell of your turtle. So these have quite a specific use, but gorgeous colours and some lovely texture on those as well. And then in your final envelope, you've got some Angelina fibres. So these are in bright blue, and it goes with the Angelina film, which is a bluey greeny blue. And what you can do is you can create kind of your own fabric using the iron. So they're heat fusible, and that's a lovely way to add some sparkle to your fish. So you use that for both the blue tang and any of the fish you want to create yourself. And so that leaves you with a very colourful selection in your box. These are the fibres for the jellyfish tentacles, all hand dyed, really beautiful colour mix there as well. You've got 6 DMC threads. So again, you've got a lovely rainbow of colours here, and those are all there for you to stitch your fish together. You've got a couple more ancillary items. So you've got a cotton reel, which is really good for doing your beads and sequins. You've got some invisible thread to hang the fish once you've finished. And you've got some card bobbins, which are really helpful for storing any leftover DMC thread. And then you've got your fabrics. So you've got a piece of organza for the jellyfish, and you have got a great selection of coloured felts. So obviously these are all going to make and form your fish, but you can see there are some really great colours. These are all a viscose and wool blend as well, so they feel really nice to work with. And then right at the bottom, you've got that baking paper for fusing your Angelina fibres. You don't want anything getting stuck to the iron. It makes a huge mess. So make sure that you're putting anything in your baking paper. And that's it. So that's everything that's in the aquarium box. It's a real goodie box. And I hope you really enjoy the kit and making your fish.